Hi, I'm Elle Wilson, and yes, one of the biggest questions that women ask me is, will my brows grow back? And if I had a penny for every single time a woman had asked me that, telling me with all of her belief that her brows just simply don't grow and she has never touched them, hasn't touched them for 10, 20 years, and then we have this amazing transformation, I would own my own island. But let me just talk about your brows and whether they grow back and whether they don't. You need to have a very, very powerful consultation with an expert that absolutely knows what she's speaking about and what differentiates TRUEBROW from every single other brow training course. What differentiates it, firstly, is that it is the original and the first brow design and restoration and advanced design brow course in the world. It's also differentiated by the length of time that our specialists, our artists actually take to perfect their skill, and that they are in a mastery-based education program. The way your brows grow, whether they'll grow back, how they grow back, hair growth patterns, techniques, lighting techniques, positioning, all of that is what is involved when making a decision about one of the most powerful beauty assets that you have on your face. If you want your brows to express your inner beautiful qualities of softness, femininity, flow, then the best thing that you can do is read this article, get the real facts, and then go looking for your TRUEBROW specialist. Thanks for now.